Fill in the blanks with whatever you want. Today I got a
Football.
signed by,
Sonny.
then travelled by
Plane.
plane. It's going to cost a few pounds. To deliver it to
Subscribers.
a subscriber.
Yeah.
So once Pedro Porro had filled in the final blank, I found this football in the back of a goal and gave it to Heung-Min Son to sign. And Porro even signed it too.
Let's go find a subscriber. It could be you.
So I made my way to the airport where I was about to complete step 3 by boarding the plane. And once I touched down in America, it was time to find a subscriber. So I went to an Inter Miami game where this young lad asked me for a photo.
So you subscribe?
Yeah.
So guess whose signature that is? Son Heung-min, but he told me to bring this ball on a plane and give it to a subscriber.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you.